Your hair is not going to lack. It was so thin, people. It was so thin. Like, it was ugly. I'm not going to lie. It's a journey with yourself. It's a journey with your hair, and it changed my life and the way I look at myself. Being able to be myself hair-wise helped me to be myself personality-wise even more. Today is the day of the Locs. So people, I almost forgot. I'm on my way to do some locks on my hair. I'm running late for my appointment, and I've decided I have to do it. So actually, I contacted the woman because I wanted to do some how do you call it, some box braids, but I just can't stand it because I can do it myself. But this time around, I just said to myself, actually, you want to go on this journey. It's spring. You now have the possibility to. It's okay. Your scalp is going to be out. I mean, I've gone through. I think I'm ready because I have a huge bag full of extension, weave on, whatnot, and I don't even wear them just because I've been wearing my hair. Normally it's up there. I have my cap that I've removed because at least you have to see how to look. But I used to wear my hair like an up bun for 3 months. So I know the journey can be stressful, can be frustrating, but I'm ready for it. So I've decided to do the diamond parting with a kind of with some line, straight line in front, because parting is key when you are going on a long journey. Parting is everything. If you get your parting wrong, then after 2 or 3 years, you might find yourself starting the whole journey back. So I've heard if you want to go on the log journey, that you need patience. And I have it. You lead low maintenance, as you are not someone who really needs to change the hairstyle every 10 or 2 weeks, 10 days or 2 weeks or whatnot. I was that person like 10 years ago, but now I'm happy when I don't have to do my things, and I love to wear my hair. So anyways, maybe I will do a video to say how do you know you're ready for the vlog. So, but this is the before. Nothing special, just nappy hair. I've been nappy for 6 years or 7. I went for the length. I had my hair, you can see right down here, and I cut it back and I roll my hair like for this punk. Maybe I will blend the picture. For almost 2 years, and then I started growing it back again, but I was not happy with the growing back. And the solution for me was always to hide them in some braids or in a bun like this. And the other hand, I can't stand the waste. We are talking about climate change. Doing this synthetic hair each and every time, it's a lot of waste in the that's my point. And human hair, why should I wear somebody else's hair? I don't have cancer. I don't have a kind of sickness that is getting my hair out of me. Yes, I have some issue, yes, but it's a family thing. I've done everything, and so I want to wear my own hair each and every day. That's why I'm going for this journey. So, bye. Hello, this is me 13 months after the installation. I have to come and explain why there is no footage after. First thing, once my hair was twisted, it looked it was so ugly. Like the whole of my hair could barely fit in this it was a disgrace. Like, I had thin hair. The loctician, I think, who did that, she told me, your hair is not going to lock. Like, the expectation of me in studying locks and what I got, Jesus Christ, it was so far apart. But I had to trust the process. You can see I'm locked. I had to convince myself and say, oh, if white people have locks and they have way less kinkier hair than I, why shouldn't my own hair locked? First thing, okay? And there were a lot of encouragement videos, people saying, okay, you should trust the process. And because I can cut my hair each time I want, I grew up with so short hair. So I knew if it was really going to be ugly for the longest, I could just cut my hair like a big chop or whatever and be fine with it. So it gave me a lot of it calmed me, right? But I still couldn't assume the ugliness and the emptiness of my hair. My scalp was like, I didn't look like a 3-year-old child where you do like it was ugly, people. And even though we have camera and phones everywhere, there is literally no evidence of the first month. That is how bad I felt. Like I was wearing scarves, having my cap on, and if I had something very formal to do, I know how I can dress up my hair like with a scarf and make everything functions for me. So I'm just here to tell you people, trust the process and trust our hair. I found out that my hair needed some time to adjust, and the transition was very ugly. But our natural healthy hair is coiled or kinky or whatever, and this locking, or your hair going back to its natural, not stretched, and whatever thing you always do to our hair to fit in, no. If you leave your hair to be, it's going to lock, and that is the natural healthy way of kinky hair, to my knowledge, right? So now I'm 1 year locked, and of course I wish I had evidences to show you people. Even if you looked, it was so thin, people. It was so thin, like it was ugly. I'm not going to lie. I had really thin hair, but thin hair can lock, right? And they can lock thick as well. So let your hair be, trust the process, and have some evidences to prove what you're saying, like me. So yes, I have more videos coming up. Like this curry I did was like to celebrate my 1 year lock journey, and I'm still loving it. My hair is not perfect, or my locks are not perfect. I had a lot of mistakes here and there. It's normal, but I'm proud of them. The reasons why I went into this journey in the first place, they were fair, they were okay. Like, we use a lot of plastic on our hair and the recycling, and I'm not willing to be wearing somebody's hair each and every day. But at the point I went for some braids, long braids. So it's a journey with yourself, it's a journey with your hair, and it changed my life and the way I look at myself. As I just explained, the nature of hair, of our kinky hair, kinky healthy hair, of course, is coiled, is locked. So being able to be myself in the sense of hair, maybe, like, it's my assumption. So being able to be myself hair-wise helped me to be myself personality-wise even more. You won't understand it unless you go on a long journey. But something happened with me on this log journey 1 year later. And of course, I wish I had done it earlier. But hey, no regrets. So everything I went through, like not wanting to relax my hair because I had to relax my hair. They used to be too thick for the hairdresser. And once I could, I went back natural. And then I went back on relaxing because there was nobody to do my hair. And then I decided to do my hair myself. And I went back natural. And I had some issue with cold and I didn't know what to do. What did I do? I cut my hair and I rocked it for 3 years, very short. And after some time, people were complaining and saying, how can a grown woman have short hair and whatever. And then I was missing sometimes having long braids and everything because I really love braids. And I went back on long hair, but I realized I had all those products, all those plastic, all those human hair. Yes, I have a wig, not wig, but weave on with human hair. I bought it, I jumped on that train, but I couldn't stand it for more than 10 days on my hair. Although I still have it, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. Anyways, I could not, even though I had all the products to do my hair, I went 3 months with just an updo like this. And that was the final clue for me to go on this lock journey. Never regretted. Only in the first month, and at the moment I did it, it was so expensive. So anyways, that was just to update you on this first lock journey video. Stay curious and locked. Mwah.